Our fully automatic cereal bar cutting and forming machine is designed to provide continuous hygienic and highly efficient production for cereal bars, puffed rice bars, and nut bars, made entirely from food-grade stainless steel. The line features precision control with a PLC touchscreen interface, enabling operators to easily manage recipes and production settings with one-touch operation. Raw materials are evenly spread and pressed by the forming rollers to maintain a consistent thickness and texture. The cooling system ensures product shaping stability before cutting, preventing sticking or deformation during continuous production. The high-speed transverse and longitudinal cutting mechanism guarantees accurate size control, clean cutting edges, and uniform bar dimensions. With automatic separation after cutting, the bars remain perfectly aligned, ready for downstream packaging. This line requires minimal labor, while ensuring stable performance, reduced waste, and easy cleaning. With a production capacity of 300-400 kilograms per hour, it is an ideal solution for medium to large-scale manufacturing, ensuring consistent product quality and maximum productivity for modern food factories.